Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys.
Wake up, Rusty, it's a brand new day. Sunshine smiling, let's roll away. Friends are laughing out on the farm. Adventures calling, sound the alarm. Oh no, the wind blew the gate so wide. Lulu and Pip ran far outside. Rusty's wheels go vroom vroom fast. He'll save his friends and bring them back. Through the rain and through the mud, Rusty rolls with all his love. Chirpy sings, we're almost home. Together they'll never be alone. Now the barn is warm and bright. Friends are safe and hearts are light. Rusty smiles beneath the sky so blue. A true friend always pulls you through.
On a bright morning at the farm, Rusty the red tractor opened his eyes, ready for another happy day. Farmer Joe walked through the barnyard, feeding Lulu, the cow, Pip the pig, and Tiny Chirpy, the chick. The animals laughed and played together. Lulu nudged Pip, while Chirpy fluttered and sang joyfully. Rusty smiled proudly from the barn, watching his friends enjoy the sunshine. But suddenly, whoosh! A strong gust of wind blew the gate wide open. The animals jumped in surprise and ran right through the open gate out into the big wide fields. Rusty gasped. His headlights blinked in worry. His friends were gone! With courage in his heart, Rusty revved his engine and raced off to bring them home safely. Across green hills and bright meadows, Rusty rolled as fast as he could, calling out for his friends. Soon he found Lulu stuck in a muddy puddle and little Pip trying so hard to pull her out. Rusty threw them a rope and gently pulled. Together, they cheered as Lulu popped free with a happy moo. Chirpy fluttered down onto Rusty's hood, chirping with joy. We did it! We did it, he peeped happily. But then, thunder rumbled far away. Dark clouds began to roll over the hills. Stay close! Everyone! Rusty called. Rain poured down as they hurried through the storm. Together, they crossed a slippery bridge, helping one another with every careful step. Rusty spread his big red hood over the animals, keeping them dry as the rain poured down. Through the rain, they finally saw it, the warm, glowing barn shining in the distance. Up the muddy hill they climbed, pushing, pulling, helping, never giving up. At last, they reached the gate just as the sun broke through the clouds. They were home. Farmer Joe ran out with a big smile, hugging the muddy but safe animals tightly. He patted Rusty's hood and said, "Good job, old friend!" Rusty's headlights glowed with pride. Inside the barn, everyone dried off and snuggled close under the warm glow of the lantern. As night fell, fireflies danced outside while the farm slowly grew quiet. Rusty looked up at the stars through the barn window and smiled. His friends were safe. The next morning, sunshine filled the barnyard once more, and Rusty learned one thing for sure. A true friend never stops caring.
Now the barn is warm